Hello friends, welcome to my tutorials. Today I am going to show you how we can create a basic live chat app with native Android on the client side and nodejs and socket.io on the server side. In order to follow this tutorial, please install nodejs and Android Studio at your end. So now let's get started. First, let's set up the nodejs and socket.io for the backend code. For that, I am going to first create the nodejs project. This can be done using the npm init command, which will prompt you to enter the project details. Please enter the details as you wish. Once npm init is done, it creates a package.json file with the details that we have entered. Now we need to install a couple of dependencies. First, let's install express.js. We will use express.js as the middleware for our node server to handle the request and the responses. As you can see, now express.js is installed and saved to our package.json. Now let's go ahead and create the index.js file, which will be the starting point of our server. So now the index.js is created. Let's start with adding the code to run this server. We will be running this server on port 3000. You can give your own port as you wish. So the code for that will be secure. So first we need to include the dependency, the express.js dependency, and then let's initiate the express app. So http equals require and http dot server will be sending app to the server function. So let's listen on port 3000. So you can change your port number here in this function. And let's add a log, console.log, so that we will come to know that the server is not. So server is on port that is 3000. Now we need to install socket.io for our server to handle the real-time communication. Let's install that now. Now let's add the home page for us to test the connection. For that, I am creating the index.html file, which will be served as the home page. Please note that this index.html file will be used only for us to test the socket connection on the desktop. Later, for this project, we will have the client-side code set up on Android. Let me first add some text in the body of the homepage. So I'm going to add hello socket. So it is HELLO. So look at that, yeah, hello socket. Okay. Now let's add the socket.io dependency. So that will be added inside the script tag. So I'm adding the script tag, and let's first link it to the socket.io library. So that will be script src equals the path will be slash socket.io/socket.io.js. So yeah. So this is going to load the client-side library for socket.io. And now we need to initialize the connection. So that is socket equals io. Okay. The index page is ready. Now we need to display it in the web root. Let's add the code for that. As stated earlier, we are using the middleware Express.js to handle this. This is the syntax for the root. Slash will point to the web root. Using response.send file, we can display the index file that is created. So that is response.send file, and we need to pass the path to the HTML that needs to be rendered. So that is index.html. Okay. Let's add the server-side socket.io dependency to the code. So that is io equals require, and add the socket.io dependency there, and we need to init the socket by passing the HTTP to the constructor of the socket class. Now let's add a connect event that is on connection, which will get fired when any client is connected to the socket. All the subsequent socket events should be added inside the connect event. The callback method of the connection event will receive an instance of the client socket as parameter. Now let's add a log inside that. So that would be, let's put some text there. So one user connected. So this will get fired whenever any client connects to the socket. Now let's check it on the browser. So that is displayed, and yeah, the logs that we have entered is displayed now. So that means the client is connected to the socket. Each client that gets connected will have a unique socket ID. So let's add that to the logs. That is socket.id. Okay. Now let's check. As you can see, now the socket ID is been displayed. Now let's check with a different client. So I am using different browser, and let's see how it works. Yeah, it's giving a different socket ID. So now both the clients are connected to the socket. That's it for the part 01 of this tutorial. In the next part, I will show you how to connect the Android client with the socket. Hope you all liked my tutorial. You can subscribe to my channel to get frequent updates. See you soon. Thank you and bye.